Hi everyone, welcome back to Make Money Online. Today we're going to be talking about how you can be rich by 2025 just by buying $50 of Ripple right now. You must be wondering how an amount as small as $50 can earn you millions. But you shouldn't really. After all, this is the stock market we're talking about. What you should be speculative about is what makes XRP so special that it could yield such a return in the next 5 years. Let's start with the basics. Based on the market index, XRP is ranked as the third most valuable crypto asset in dollar terms, valued at around $11 billion. Ripple XRP is one of the world's major cryptocurrencies. It's closely aligned with several banks, investment firms, and businesses around the globe. This means that against the run of other forms of cryptocurrency such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, it's not based on decentralization. This seems a little strange, as the fundamental principle guiding cryptocurrencies is to upset the established stance of external companies such as banks and other financial institutions. However, this diversity could be a major factor behind Ripple's success. It's one of a kind in the world of cryptocurrencies. This distinguishing factor could also mean that XRP is impervious to the troubles that other cryptocurrencies face, though it is not exempt from the traditional volatility which makes the trend of cryptocurrency unpredictable. Ripple XRP attains a relatively unique market position, which could enable it to escape some of the turbulence which could potentially shake the industry in the next few years. Ripple was first launched in 2012 and is commonly used to describe both its payment platform and native currency. Its platform is called RippleNet, while its crypto is Ripple XRP. Ripple is a private company building a real-time payment, exchange, and remittance network on top of a distributed ledger database, the XRP Ledger. Ripple has among the highest long-term price potential out of any crypto assets. It employs XRP to facilitate a product named XRapid, which is deployed to provide a source of ready-to-go liquidity in making payments for banks and other financial bodies. The digital asset is capped at 100 billion XRP, with just under 43 billion circulating supply. The market cap is currently over $11 million, and that's with XRP currently priced at $0.25. XRP provides its users with a way to control their assets. It was designed for speed and to achieve some of the lowest fees of any crypto asset. These attributes make it extremely attractive for banks, Ripple's main target customer, to move large amounts of money quickly at a very low cost. Other altcoins that have entered the market were designed to solve some of the problems which were believed could eventually limit the success of Bitcoin. XRP, on the other hand, focuses on a different angle and aims at another defining feature of the crypto: its decentralization. Instead of offering traders and investors a way to make online transactions without having to go through a centralized financial body, as in Bitcoin and other altcoins, XRP functions to make it easier for those very same centralized financial bodies to make payments themselves. To avoid ridiculously high transaction fees and unfavorable exchange rates, Ripple enables corporations to send and receive payments in Ripple XRP coin. The coin evades some of the issues that can plague both fiat currency and decentralized cryptos. Ripple improves upon cross-border payment brands such as Western Union and MoneyGram, and recently acquired an ownership stake in MoneyGram, sending the price of the stock skyrocketing. XRP News has also helped strengthen the value of the crypto asset. XRP is supported by banks such as Santander, Royal Bank of Canada, American Express, Westpac, and others. Ripple has garnered the support of some of the biggest names in the investment sector, showing that many believe in a strong Ripple forecast. Additional partnerships with banks and financial institutions could push XRP to around $1.4 to $1.5. What 2020 meant for XRP? 2020 has been a turbulent time for every cryptocurrency in general, and Ripple XRP in particular. When news of global lockdowns first broke in March, investor uncertainty caused the market to fall so suddenly that it's now known as the coronavirus crash. Bitcoin fell from around $9,000 to $4,000 within 7 days, while Ripple XRP plummeted from 0.336 on February 14th to 0.138 on March 12th of 2020. Ripple XRP began at nearly $0.35 and declined consistently as the days passed by without notorious jumps except for the mid-year rally pushed by Satoshi's currency. Some cryptocurrencies have found their feet over the last 7 months, with prices recovering to levels they had attained before the crash occurred. Ripple hasn't fully recovered ever since. At this time, XRP is currently the world's fourth biggest cryptocurrency, with a market capitalization of over $11.5 billion and a price of $0.256. The volatility of XRP is aptly represented in this chart. The price of Ripple XRP, as shown here, seemed to be on the uptrend between July and September, but what followed was a decline. Its inability to recover like other cryptocurrencies was deemed to be a major cause for concern. Another cause for worry was evident in Ripple XRP's social media status. Its reception on Twitter slipped by 16% in the first quarter. The performance of many cryptos has been closely linked to their traction both on social media and in more traditional media outlets. If investors and traders have been losing interest, it could signal a bleak future for the crypto as years progress. Is there hope for XRP in 2021? Some traders don't think that the XRP price trend being bearish would go on. An analyst confirmed that the price of Ripple XRP is currently following a wave pattern, which would mean that once the price has hit $0.21, it'll start to reclimb, as seen in this chart. This is one of the many indications that Ripple XRP could be in for a more prosperous 2021. Ripple's partner Flare Network announced in August that it planned to build a trustless two-way bridge with Ethereum. The purpose of this is to enable applications based on the Ethereum platform to access the XRP ledger, as well as vice versa. This is expected to enhance the crypto's functionality, and it could potentially increase the demand for XRP. We believe that holding long-term positions on Ripple XRP is the most sensible approach. What might have the largest impact on the price of the asset is the parent company halting further sales of the asset to fund operations. When this happens, the demand far outweighs any supply of the coin and causes a rapid price increase. According to the Crypto Coin Society's predictions, the price of XRP will reach $0.95 before the end of 2021, representing an increase of around 325% on its current price. Also, it's predicted that the price will hit $0.3389 within the next 4 months, as seen on its Ripple Price Prediction chart. Long-term interest in XRP. The predictions of XRP's fortunes in 2021 might not be so encouraging. Looking ahead to 2022 and beyond, what can we expect to see in the long term? There are many predictions made by analysts to project a future rise in the value of XRP. An example of that is Crypto Coin Society, which specifies that XRP's value will rise by as much as 854%, thereby hitting $2.50 as we run 2022. There are so many reasons that support the possibility of this trend. It's expected that governments will come under immense pressure to clamp down on activities in the cryptocurrency industry. Ripple is more firmly rooted than most conventional cryptos to withstand any regulatory crackdown measures adopted by the government. XRP is standing on the side that supports the establishment of crypto regulations. When the regulations are added, it will annihilate almost every other altcoin, and the demand for XRP will skyrocket. Ripple XRP was rigged to comply with government regulations. It's less likely to be affected by new rules or taxation measures, which if enforced will send investors racing away from the more decentralized cryptos. Thinking short-term, XRP price is as bearish as it can be. The value of the Ripple XRP token could rise to $0.46 by the very end of 2020, rising to $0.58 in 2021. However, there is a potential that it could achieve a mean price of $2.32 by 2025. CryptoGround presents an almost similar prediction in a chart showing the rising trend in the price of XRP. As seen on the chart, the line rises exceedingly from an extremely low value at $0.29 in 2020 till it nears the height of about $2.15 valuation of XRP. These are the potential high and low price predictions of XRP from 2021 to 2025. Some predictions have been projected by various analysts for the standing value of XRP in 2025. For instance, CryptoGround forecasts XRP value to be worth $1.9. Coinpedia's XRP predictive value is $6.2, and PrimeXBT predicts XRP value to be $6 in 2025. These put the expected increase in the value of XRP to be within the range of 77 to 96% of its value now. What breeds more hope for the investors include the staggering boost of cryptocurrencies experienced between 2017 and 2018, when the price of Bitcoin increased by 2,000%. But this was nothing compared to Ripple, which grew by a staggering 36,000%. Ripple was also the most profitable asset of that year, bringing investors over 1,000% gains very quickly. Analysts remain bullish that XRP can experience the same boost as time proceeds, but point to 2021 as a catalyst. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on the notification bell so you can get updates whenever we post a new video. What other cryptocurrency news would you like us to talk about? Leave your suggestions in the comments. Also, be sure to check out some of our other great videos. See you next time.
you.